Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. We just received our new DJI T50 agricultural spraying drone in the mail today. So I've been looking at getting one of these drones for the past several years. Andrew Tucker is our local agri spray dealer. He has been bringing out different brands and different models of spraying drones. After seeing so many other drones over the past few years, I feel that the T50 is the best fit for our operation out of all the drones out there. It really meets that line between efficiency and accuracy. And I was really happy with how it sprayed this spring. So I decided to pull the trigger and get one of our own. So if you are interested in receiving a quote for one of these drones, you can go to the link down in the description where AgriSpray will contact you and hook you up with your local dealer. So you can find that in the description or on our homepage. So we're going to go ahead and start unboxing this today. I'm going to show you guys what's in each box and talk a little bit about what my goals are and my intentions are for using this drone going into the future. And I'm excited to share it with you guys going forward here. Starting at the top, we've got a spreading unit. So the tank on the T50 is swappable for a dry spreader tank that you could use to possibly spread fertilizer. What I'm looking to use it for earlier on is possibly for trial runs of cover crops and as well as spreading fertilizer in hard to reach places out in the pasture. So that's one of the reasons that I wanted to opt in for the spreading unit. And let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what's inside. Okay. So these things are actually quite large when you pull them out of the box. They're a lot bigger than they look in the pictures. So this can hold, I believe, over 100 pounds worth of material. And we've got our spreading disc on the bottom there. That's the unit that we would change out. That's pretty much all there is to the spreading tank. Let's see what we got next. This one doesn't have a label on it. So here we've got a goodie bag, quite literally. But this box has a ton of accessories. So one of the things that you can opt in for is what they call the Field Ops Kit. It includes things like wireless headphones that connect to the controller so you can better keep track of what you're doing. Looks like we've got some hex key sets that can go into that bag. Screwdriver, bits. Looks like we have a 50 amp cable for the charger because it takes a lot of power to run one of these drones. Looks like we've got another cord. They gave us a spare spray tank cap. We've also got a charging hub, intelligent batteries for the remote control. We've got 2 of those, as well as a portable charger. All stuff that can go in our new bag. Looks like we've got some pipe fittings for spares. And then the last thing that is in this box are props. Look at the size of them things. The unique thing about the T50 is that it actually has another set of motors on the bottom, which means that it needs twice the amount of props. And that is to help give that unit some lift. So that's what those are for. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got another full set of props. So that is our Field Ops Kit. That is an AgriSpray Drones exclusive, where they put together this package full of stuff that they think that you're going to need. So one reason or another, you might find yourself needing spares of any of these. And honestly, the props are going to be huge to have spares of because then you're not waiting on props. AgriSpray is huge on maintaining a huge inventory, and I believe they have thousands of these stocked up, and specifically for this reason, because they're hard to find in the United States. So AgriSpray is getting ahead of the ball, and they've got a bigger inventory than you can find literally anywhere in the US. We've also got 3 of these DB1560 intelligent flight batteries. So this is what goes in the drone and powers the unit itself. These run roughly $2,500 a piece. I have 3 of these batteries to keep me going. The charger also runs under $2,000. I believe I got sent the C10,000, which I'm sure I will find here soon. But I'm going to take one of these out just to put it in the drone so that we can get the drone, what I consider to be fully set up and ready to go. So let's crack this open. In the battery box, we've got the very thick manual for the intelligent flight battery. Now these are self-discharging in roughly 3 days. So when you go to store these will self-discharge to maintain the battery's life. So the warranty on these batteries is 6 months, or I believe 1,500 flights, whichever comes first. And so far, Andrew Tucker has not gotten anywhere close to the number of charges for this battery. So with 3 of them, we should get quite a few flights out of our drone. So these are pretty large. To be honest, I was expecting them to be a lot heavier than they are. That's not hard to handle at all. I'm kind of surprised. Up on top, we've got these cooling fins up here to help with airflow. Because these charge so fast with the C10,000 battery charger, one of these can be charged in roughly 7 minutes when fast charging. So when you've got a generator out in the field, you know, in your truck, on your trailer, one of these will charge very, very quick. So with 3 batteries, we'll keep moving. 2 more batteries. All right, so I'm actually not sure what's in this one quite yet. Feels liquid. Here we've got our C10,000 battery charger. So once again, we've got a bunch of different cables here. This is one of the things that Andrew is going to come walk me through, and that's one of the good reasons to be in contact with your local dealer, because they're familiar with all this stuff and can get you up and running a lot quicker than even I could. I've got over 10 years of experience with drones, and this is a completely different ball game. But your local dealer will be able to help you get going much faster. Here's our C10,000. We're almost down to the big kahuna. Let's see what we got in this one. So looks like this is a jug of Yield Storm Air Shocker. Yield Enhancing Aerial Adjuvant. So what this does, what this is going to do, is it's actually going to increase your droplet size. And it says it's specifically designed to improve low carrier volume applications, including aerial applications in drones, planes, and ground rigs at less than 7.5 gallons per acre application volume. So this is an adjuvant. I actually saw a letter from Agri somewhere over there that says that this is a special promotion that they're running right now that they're including in with these drones. One of the things with aerial applications is making sure that you do everything that you can to reduce your drift, and that's by using these adjuvants. They increase the droplet size to reduce the amount that gets created into the smaller particles. Smaller particles will have a tendency to drift, so that's where using an adjuvant is extremely important. So I'm sure I'll be using this on my first few fields to try it out. So now we're at the big one. So it looks like this one's actually on its side, so I'm gonna flip it upright. All right. Wow, it's pretty much all ready, set up and everything. All you gotta do is just pull it out of the box. Okay, so ignoring the elephant in the room, what we've got here is the cooling station for the batteries. There's 2 cooling fans on the back side. You set the batteries in here, and this is where you charge them. Very last thing to come out of the box, I'm pretty sure the RC controller is in this carrying case. We got spare parts, bits, wrenches. We're gonna go ahead and get this set up. I'm gonna charge the remote and I'm gonna insert the battery into the drone. We're gonna fire it up. I'm gonna get certain details off the drone, like the serial number so that I can get the registration going. And anything else that I might need is gonna be in that menu. So on the back side of the drone, we've actually got a little sticker here that leads us to the DJI Smart Farm app, which I already have. And I'm gonna go there next to really start, but that's probably gonna be in a future video where I dive into the app while I'm showing the unit actually running. So there's the RC. The controller is now done charging, which was extremely quick. Be sure to read the screen cover, which says it needs to charge before doing anything. So we already connected it, charged it up, it charged really fast. Press and then long press the button for 2 seconds to power on the controller. So we're gonna pull this off. Now I need to go through and set everything up. Then that is gonna be it for today. So we got the drone unboxed, we got it activated, we got it pretty much ready to fly. So we're gonna wait until Andrew's here to finish the last steps, which should be later this week, probably in an upcoming video. So be sure to stay tuned. Again, if you guys are interested in purchasing an Agri T50 from DJI, be sure to go down into the link in the description and you can get a quote through AgriSpray. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. All How Farms Work. And with that, we'll see you next time. He has reached that